Good morning everyone and welcome to another Vlogmas video. Today is Wednesday and it's actually a pretty miserable day, I have to say. It's currently raining and I thought because our Christmas tree arrived yesterday that I might as well get on to decorating it now because I think it'll help to liven up the living room a little bit. And we went with a 6-foot tree because our ceilings aren't very high. They're 2.3 meters tall, so not as high as other ceilings. I really noticed it when I went home actually because my grandparents have got about 40 centimeters on us on their ceilings. So we didn't want to get anything that was too tall and that was going to kind of completely fill up the space. So this one's perfect. Also I can reach the top of it. Don't have a Christmas star yet at the moment. I need to go and get one. I used to have an angel that belonged to Mum, but I've got no idea what happened to it. So I'm not sure if I lost it in the move or if it's in New Zealand. I don't know, maybe I'll stumble across it. But let me show you the tree. So this is our Christmas tree and the branches have sort of started to settle a bit now, so it's looking really nice and bushy. And I've got my decorations here. We had thought about putting it at the end of the sofa where Nigel's currently lying, but I think it was just in the way of the television, so we've gone for in the corner of the room. I actually think that this is probably better. It's gonna have a bit of sparkle next to the TV. I also just wanted to grab those other decorations that I bought last week. I've got here, so I'll put those down for the other ones. Maybe I'll do a quick outfit of the day before I start decorating the tree. I actually have worn this probably exact same look, I think, in a previous video. I'll pop it up here if you want to go and check it out. All right, so I've made it a little bit brighter, so hopefully you can kind of see my outfit. So I've gone for this notched shirt from Everlane. This is just a really nice little silk shirt. I really like it in black. Then black on my bottom half as well. I'm wearing my Dr. Denim high-waisted skinny jeans and my Sam Edelman loafers. So yeah, pretty simple one. Oh, and I am wearing that mini molten necklace again. Whoops, how do I do this? It is focusing on the wrong thing. I'm wearing that mini molten necklace again from Missima. I managed to find a box which I feel pretty comfortable balancing my camera on. So I'm gonna get started. I'm gonna put the lights on first. I was thinking about whether or not I was gonna put tinsel on the tree, and I actually don't think I am this year. I did have a kind of period in time where I was really into tinsel. Not so much now. I'm just into that kind of very minimal look, the lights and some pretty decorations. So yeah, I'm gonna get started. Decorations wise, I thought I might start with one of Mum's. The tree is all decorated. Now I'm actually gonna have to get through some work, but I wanted to do that so it's all sorted before Luke comes home from work tonight. We've been watching every single night after he gets home. We've had dinner, Bad Blood on Netflix. It is so good. We're about 5 or 6 episodes in, I want to say, and really been enjoying it so far. So can't wait to kind of get into a few more episodes of that this evening. What else have I got going on today? You're just gonna get through some work, really. It's gonna be me until about 6 o'clock when I go to pick Luke up. So I'm not really going to bore you guys with that because I think you've seen way too many time lapses of me working at my computer. It's nothing exciting. And in terms of what I'm having for lunch, I'm just going to have some leftovers from yesterday. So I thought I'd make this a really short and snappy vlog. I hope that you guys have enjoyed it. I'd love to know what you guys are doing for your Christmas tree. I seem to have a little bit of a theme actually. I didn't really address this, but I've got kind of like a red, white, and green and a little bit of silver as sort of the theme. Let's just go back to it so I can kind of... All right, I just turned off the light so I can show you properly, but yeah, you can kind of see that there's definitely a little bit of a theme going on here, which I'm not mad about at all. I love these little, the silver decoration. This one actually lights up apparently. Yeah, I'm loving the way that it looks, and I kind of like having, you know, some of Mum's decorations front and center stage. So there we have it. That is the whole overview, if I didn't show you properly before. I hope that you guys have been enjoying Vlogmas so far, or just the increase in content that I've been putting out. If there are any kinds of videos that you want to see coming up, let me know. I am planning on filming a winter layering video for those of you who live in the Northern Hemisphere, because I know there's quite a lot of you who watch my videos, and that should be going up, I think, on Boxing Day. So keep your eyes out if that's something that you think you might need. I'm definitely going to be getting as snug as a bug. I'm just sort of planning out what I'm going to be featuring in it. So yeah, I think that one's gonna, I'm really excited about that one actually. So yes, that is me. I'm gonna sign off here. Thank you guys again so much for watching. I have been loving reading all of your comments so far for Vlogmas. It just really warms my heart, and I'm kind of enjoying being able to share this sort of festive season with you guys. I'll see you in a couple days time. See you soon. Bye.